Form 1 English Language First Midterm. Hi children, today we are going to learn a grammar lesson. So, turn section 1 in your Grammar to 14 book. Our lesson is singular and plural. Scheme of work reference pages 44 and 45. Do you know most nouns have a singular and a plural form? Look at these examples. Book, books. Girl, girls. Tooth, teeth. Bench, benches. Brush, brushes. There are some rules to form plural nouns. Let's see what are they. First rule. Most nouns form their plural by adding s to the singular noun. Look at the examples. Boy, boys. Tree, trees. Teacher, teachers. House, houses. So, it is clear by adding s to the singular nouns, you can get their plural form. Example number 1. Here, boy is the singular noun. When you add s to the singular noun, boy, you can form the plural noun, boys. Example number 2. Here, tree is the singular noun. When you add s to the singular noun, tree, you can form the plural noun, trees. Let's look at the second rule to form plural nouns. If the word ends in s, sh, ch, o, and x, we can form its plural by adding es at the end of the word. Here are the examples. Bus, buses. Bush, bushes. Bench, benches. Hero, heroes. Box, boxes. Example number 1. Here, bus is the singular noun. The word bus ends in letter S. So, when you add es to the singular noun bus, you can form the plural noun buses. Example number 2. Here, box is the singular noun. The word box ends in letter X. So, when you add es to the singular noun box, you can form the plural noun boxes. Here is the third rule to form plural nouns. If the word ends in a consonant plus y, we have to drop y and add I and then add es to make its plural. Let's look at the examples. Pony, ponies. Lady, ladies. Lorry, lorries. Baby, babies. Example number 1. Here, baby is the singular noun. The word baby ends in y. So, you can drop Y, add I, and then add ES to form its plural, babies. Example number 2. Here, lorry is the singular noun. The word lorry ends in Y. So, you can drop Y, add I, and then add ES to form its plural, lorries. Remember children, there are some other nouns that do not become plural by adding S or ES. They are called irregular nouns. Here you are given some examples. Look at them. Man, men. Woman, women. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Here, men is the plural of man. Women is the plural of woman. Feet is the plural of foot. Mice is the plural of mouse. Example number 1. Here, man is the singular noun. Men is its plural form. Example number 2. Here, mouse is the singular noun. Mice is its plural form. Remember children, some nouns are almost always only used in the singular form. Look at these examples. Water, weather, information, accommodation, luggage. They are always used only in singular form. Did you notice all these nouns are uncountable? Yes. Therefore, to make plural of these uncountable nouns, we have to attach uncountable nouns to countable units in a noun phrase. Look at these two examples. 3 glasses of water are required. 5 pieces of information are given to each customer. Here, in the first sentence, water is an uncountable noun. 3 glasses are countable. It is same in the second sentence too. Information is an uncountable noun. 5 pieces are countable nouns. So, it's clear by attaching a countable unit to the uncountable nouns, you can get the plural form of the uncountable nouns too. Let's see how to use much, many, little, few with nouns. Much. Much is an adjective. It is used with singular uncountable nouns. Example, much time has been spent on this work. Here, the word time is a singular and uncountable noun. So, you can use much as an adjective to the word time. Many. Many is another adjective. It is used only with plural countable nouns. Example, there were many fighters in the battle. Here, the word fighters is a plural countable noun. So, you can use many as an adjective to the word fighters. Little and a little. Little and a little are also adjectives. They are used only with uncountable nouns. Look at the first sentence. Little joy was to be had from that experience. Here, the word joy is an uncountable noun. So, you can use little as an adjective for the word joy. The second sentence is, I had a little interest in that movie. Here, the word interest is an uncountable noun. So, you can use a little as an adjective for the word interest. Few and a few. The adjectives few and a few are used only with countable nouns. Look at the first example. Few secrets were there in that small house. Here, the word secrets is a countable noun. So, you can use few as an adjective for the word secrets. Second sentence is, the doctor will talk to you in a few minutes. Here, the word minutes is a countable noun. So, you can use a few as an adjective for the word minutes. Less and fewer. Less. Less is used only with uncountable nouns. Example, less money was available in my account. Here, money is an uncountable noun. So, you can use less as an adjective for the word money. Fewer. Fewer is only used with uncountable nouns. Example, fewer books are kept on the shelf. Here, the word books is an countable noun. So, you can use fewer as an adjective for the word books. Now it's time for you to answer the exercises. You can find starting point, going further and further still in page number 45 in your Grammar to 14 book. Let's start with starting point. Here you are given some words. You have to read them properly and say which of these nouns are countable and which are uncountable. As an example, first word, thunder. Thunder is a countable noun. Second word, laziness. Laziness is an uncountable noun. Going further, you are given some sentences. You need to read them properly and find out the correct word for the context. As an example, I did not have as much or many grievances as she did. Here, the word grievances is a plural countable noun. So, we can select many as the answer. Then it becomes, I did not have as many grievances as she did. Let's do further still. Here you are given a passage. You have to read it, find out the errors and correct them. Example, Editor speaks. Driving for too long can lead to many exhaustion and much accidents. Look at this sentence. Two errors are there in this sentence. What are they? Here, did you notice we can't use many with exhaustion as the word exhaustion is a singular uncountable noun. So, it should be much exhaustion. Then, we can't use much with accidents as the word accidents is a plural countable noun. So, it should be many accidents. So, the answer is driving for too long can lead to much exhaustion and many accidents. My dear children, now we have come to the end of our lesson. So, hope you all understood the lesson.